Greetings and salutations. This is JJ Brost with the National Weather Service in Tucson, Arizona. Today is Wednesday, January 9th, and we have some considerably cold conditions heading to southeast Arizona this weekend. In fact, this cold spell could last into early next week. This briefing will discuss the approaching weather system and the impacts of the cold air. A strong low pressure system and cold front will move into Arizona starting on Thursday. This front will bring a potential for rain in the valleys and snow in the higher terrain, but will also provide strong and gusty winds late Thursday into Friday morning. The image on the left displays our forecast chances for precipitation late Thursday night. Darker green colors suggest higher chances for precipitation, where the lighter green colors represent lower chances. So you can see that the greater chances will occur in the mountains. Snow accumulations will depend on your elevation. The highest snow accumulations will occur above 6,000 feet, where you could see around 3 to 5 inches of snow. If you drop down to around 4,000 feet, then you should only experience 1 or 2 inches of snow. And finally, on Friday morning, the snow levels could drop as low as 3,000 feet, but the moisture will be running low, so folks at this elevation should only experience a few snow flurries. The image on the right is showing forecast wind speeds on Thursday night in knots. Just so you know, 1 knot is equivalent to roughly 1.15 miles per hour. So in this case, we are expecting wind speeds around 21 knots in Tucson, which is roughly 24 miles per hour. The important thing to note is that these winds could stay gusty all night Thursday into Friday morning. We are anticipating some blowing dust associated with these winds, especially before the rain or snow hit. One of the greater impacts from this low pressure system will be the cold air. In fact, this should be the coldest conditions we have experienced in southeast Arizona since the big freezing event back in February of 2011. As many of you will recall, there were plenty of problems with that freeze event. Many folks across southeast Arizona, including a lot of people in the Tucson area, witnessed their water and gas lines burst due to the freezing. As a reference, in 2011, our low temperatures dropped to around 18 degrees in Tucson. But this weekend, we are thinking the temperatures should bottom out closer to 24 or 25 degrees in Tucson. The images above show our low temperature forecast for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday mornings. These hard freezing conditions are even expected across our lowest elevations in Pima County. I should also point out that back in 2011, the cold air only lasted for 2 days. This weekend, even though we may not get as cold, the colder conditions will likely occur through Tuesday morning. I don't have the low temperature forecast for Tuesday displayed here, but it is only expected to be a few degrees warmer than Monday morning. Whenever temperatures are expected to fall this low and for several hours each night, we try to remind people about the 3 Ps. Actually, I would like to add one more P to the mix. So that is pipes, pets, plants, and also people. Let's take action now to prevent a repeat of 2011. Wrap your pipes with good insulation. This will prevent many of the bursting problems. Don't wait until Friday night because some stores may sell out of the insulating material. Also, bring your pets inside. They will greatly appreciate not being stuck in freezing conditions for several hours over 4 mornings in a row. This level of cold air can kill some animals not prepared for freezing conditions. If you have sensitive plants in pots, bring them inside too. Or cover your plants that you can't move. Finally, let's make sure to check on our neighbors, especially the elderly and those with special needs, to ensure our community is prepared for these freezing conditions. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this briefing informative. Remember, you can get the latest information from us in a variety of ways, including Facebook and Twitter. Also, there is some great information at tucsonaz.gov on preparing for freezing conditions. Thank you.